When it comes to audio connectors, reliability is everything. GLS Audio offers Speconconnectors that are not only compatible with Neutrik but also come with a high-quality guarantee. If you're looking for dependable connections that handle your gear smoothly, these connectors deserve a closer look. One standout feature is the easy screw-in-set pin design. This makes installation straightforward, saving you time and frustration on the job. Whether you're setting up speakers or other audio equipment, these connectors provide a secure fit every time. GLS Audio's connectors also include stress relief designed specifically for 10 to 16 gauge AWG cables. This means they protect your wires from wear and tear, extending the life of your setup. For anyone who values durability, that's a big plus. You get 4 connectors in each pack, which adds up to serious savings. Buying in bulk means you're ready for multiple setups or replacements without breaking the bank. It's a practical choice for pros and hobbyists alike. Top reviews from customers across the United States highlight the product's reliability and value. Users consistently praise GLS Audio for delivering a quality product at a price that's hard to beat. If you want solid connectors without overspending, this is worth considering. What really sets GLS Audio apart is the company behind the product. This is a family-owned business that clearly cares about its customers. Their commitment to quality and service shines through every step of the way. One customer shared a story about a rare factory defect, a melted clamp on one connector. Instead of ignoring it, they reached out to GLS Audio through Amazon. The response was swift and genuine, with the owner personally apologizing and sending a replacement set at no charge. This kind of service isn't common in the industry, especially for products at this price point. It shows that GLS Audio values trust and long-term relationships over quick sales. That's a rare find in today's market. For professionals with decades of experience, GLS Audio connectors offer both performance and peace of mind. Knowing that the product is backed by responsive support makes a difference when you're on the clock and can't afford downtime. The connector's compatibility with Neutrik standards means they fit seamlessly into existing setups. You won't have to worry about compatibility issues or awkward connections that compromise sound quality. If you're upgrading or replacing your current connectors, GLS Audio provides a straightforward, reliable option. The screw-in design ensures a tight connection, while the stress relief reduces cable damage, making your investment last longer. Beyond the technical benefits, the family-owned aspect adds a personal touch. You're not just buying from a faceless corporation. You're supporting a company that stands behind its products and listens to customers. That personal commitment translates into real-world advantages. Faster customer service, genuine care, and a willingness to fix issues without hassle all contribute to a better buying experience. The price point makes these connectors accessible without sacrificing quality. For anyone balancing budget and performance, GLS Audio strikes the right chord. Whether you're a sound engineer, musician, or audio enthusiast, these connectors fit a range of needs. They're robust enough for professional use and affordable enough for hobbyists upgrading their gear. If you want connectors that combine solid build quality, user-friendly design, and dependable customer support, GLS Audio is worth a look. Their products deliver what matters most: consistent performance and peace of mind. Try GLS Audio Speconn connectors when you're ready to upgrade your setup. The combination of quality, value, and service makes them a smart choice for anyone serious about sound. In a market crowded with options, GLS Audio stands out by offering more than just hardware. They deliver reliability backed by a company that cares, and that's what changes the experience from ordinary to exceptional.